Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert word and number in a cell, right? So we're going to combine these word and this number right in this particular cell. But how are we going to do that? First, we're going to put equal, and then we're going to put the bracket. Now, when you put the bracket, then we're going to say right here, A3. We're going to say A3. Now, when you have A3, now you're going to put the word and. So hold on the shift key and press 7, you get the and. So then you're going to put a quote right there, right? I'm going to press the space bar, get a space, and put another quote. The reason why I'm doing this, if I join it up together, it will choke up together like this. So I want to put it on space now. So when I put the next quote, I have to put another and there, right? When I put another and now, then we're going to say B3. So I'm going to say B3. And then I'm going to put the bracket to close it. When I do that now, I'm going to press enter. If you notice, put the number and the word into the same bracket. And if I come right here and come right at this look section right here, put the cross right here and drag it down like that. You notice it actually convert everything into it. So this is how you actually insert word and number right here in Excel. Hope you have learned something from this video. Just remember, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.